Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a fall wreath for my door, so if you'd like to see how I do it, stay tuned. So I'll be leaving all the items, I will be listing all the items really in the description box so you can see what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Most of the items were from the Dollar Tree, except the glue gun and the glue sticks. I bought those on Amazon.com. I will, if I find that link, I will definitely leave it in the description box for you too. This I picked up at the Christmas tree shops for $2.99. I wasn't able to find a big enough ribbon in Dollar Tree at the moment, so I got that. And here we go. I just picked up some flowers that I have laying around the house, and I bought pumpkin. Don't ask. I don't think those will work, but I will definitely try. And I picked up some leaves in the Dollar Tree. They have a variety of fall leaves. Those are actually maple leaves in the Dollar Tree. I picked up 2 packages and I'll see how much of that I need. And also at the Dollar Tree you can find the burlap leaves, and it was there in like 2 different colors, so I picked up one of each. I will be putting them together to add it onto the wreath. I think the color contrast will work really good with the leaves that I have. So let me get everything assembled, and when I come back I will show you how I start doing the wreath. So what I did is I folded over the ribbon over the wire, took my hot glue gun and added a little glue to hold it together before I start the wrapping process. Then I just wrap the ribbon around the wire to cover the entire wire. And I will do this off camera, and then when I come back I will show you the entire wreath will be wrapped, and then I show you how to assemble the leaves. So here is my wire already wrapped, and I use the glue to attach this little part so it stays intact. Now I will show you how I assemble the leaves together. I'm not going to talk throughout this whole assembling, and then you can just watch and see what I did until the end. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.